Hello everyone and welcome to another Python video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can control your PC remotely with your mobile phone. So this is just basic controlling, but you can do a lot with it. So I'm gonna start it, and first we need to install some libraries. I will put the names and description. So as always, I use PowerShell administrator. So we need to pip install flask dash socket io and I can't pronounce this. pyautogui and eventlet actually. So I already installed all of them, so you don't need to install it. I put the names in description because it's kind of hard to pronounce it here. So let's just start it. So I'm gonna create a folder here. I'm gonna name it control PC, and let's do it with Visual Studio Code. I hope the running doesn't have problem here. Oh, this is my old one. Open folder. Okay, so for HTML files we need templates folder, and for main file we're gonna name it main.py. So first, from Flask we need to import Flask and render underline templates for views. So then from Flask underline socketio we need to import socketio. Let me just zoom in some. Okay, and we need to import, sorry for pronouncing, pyautogui and import eventlet. Okay, so we need to create app flask and underline name to name our project. So we need socketio. It's equal to socketio. Socketio, and we run the app, and we're gonna allow to all origins to connect. So this means that we can connect it from any device. And let's start with roads here. So our index roads, okay, it's gonna be defined as index, and we're gonna return render template text.html. So first we're gonna have a mouse move, and it's gonna be socket io.on mouse underline move. So it's for mouse movement. We're gonna define a function handle underline mouse underline move and data. So we have x and we have y, 2 dimensions. It's going to be equal to data x and x and data y. So we have 2 dimensions here. Then we're gonna move it to x and y. So it's moved in 2 directions, and now we need to handle click in here. So I'm gonna use socket io on click, and I'm gonna define a function handle underline click with data and button. It's equal to data button. And I'm gonna handle the click here, and I'm gonna equal button to button. So we have mouse move here, we have click here, and then we're gonna have a type here. In typing, again, I'm gonna use socket io, that's on type, and we're gonna define a function handle underline type, and we're gonna use data here again. Text input text, it should be equal to data text, and again we're gonna write the text. So we have handle type, click, and mouse move. So we're gonna do the command now, and again socket io that on comment comment. I'm gonna create a function handle underline comment with data. So cmd, it's equal to data cmd, and I'm gonna do 2 things. So for restart and for shutdown, I'm gonna by shutdown I mean closing the programs, not shutting down the system, but you can do the shutdown. I'm not gonna shut down my PC while I'm recording, and I'm gonna do Control Alt and Delete for restart. So I'm gonna use the hotkey. First I'm gonna set it up. If cmd is equal to shut down, I'm gonna do the hotkey of CTRL and F4. So something is not okay. That should be here. And in else if, I'm gonna use cmd is equal to restart. And I'm gonna use the command hotkey CTRL, mean control, alt, and delete. So let's just do the name here, if equal to main, and socketio dot run app on host is equal to 0.0.0.0, mean the local IP, and the port on 5000. Okay, so let's check it from begin. So we imported the libraries, we added the Flask to render the HTML file, and we allow the socket to connect from any origins. That means sometimes we have HTTP sometimes you're using HTTP or HTTPS, or sometimes you're using some kind of SSLs. That origin means can accept everything. So we have a route here that define our index.html file, and we have mouse move on X and Y. We have click function. Oh, sorry. And we have type function, and we have comment function. In this comment, we check the input of the user. So I'm gonna use it by click. I'm gonna create a button for that, for shutdown and restart, and user can close the program or can restart the PC. I'm not gonna restart the PC because I'm recording, but I'm gonna use the shutdown key to check the program closing. Okay, let's go to our template. We need an HTML file. We use it as the index.html. Can we have that type? Okay. Let me see, just doesn't create the HTML for me. No, I'm gonna do it by myself. Okay, doc type HTML. And we need a head. Hate the IntelliSense. Which works, doesn't work. Need a meta tag here with character set UTF-8, and I'm gonna use viewport. Content. It's gonna be with device dash width, initial dash scan. It's gonna be 1.0, and I'm gonna put the title here. Gonna set it to control PC. And we need the socketio.js, so it's gonna be as a script here. I'll put the link on the description on this one too, but I'm gonna copy that because it's CDN. I don't have it locally. And let's go for body. The Django HTML, no, I don't need it. So I'm gonna hit the title here. Gonna say it remote PC control. And first we need a button here that clicks. Actually, we need two buttons for shutdown and restart. So I'm gonna create both of them first. It's gonna be shut down. And this one, it's gonna be restart. So for onClick, we want to send a comment that let me check it from here. First is shutdown. And second one is restart. I'll just save it. Send comment. Sorry for restart. So we have shutdown and restart button. So I'm gonna do 2 BRs here, and then we need an input. The type should be text, because we are sending a text, and the ID text input, and I'm gonna place folder here, type text. Okay. And we need another button here. Let me just copy that. Takes too long without IntelliSense. So I'm gonna send it, and I'm gonna send text. Okay, we have send text, we have shutdown, and we have restart. So we need to right click of mouse and left click of the mouse. So I'm gonna do 2 BRs. So it's gonna be, let's see, normal HTML. I'm not gonna design it here. So I need 2 buttons here. One will be left click, and one will be right click. And click mouse. I'm gonna send left, and again click mouse. I'm gonna set Sorry. Just forgot. Ring. Okay. And one should be right. Then we're gonna do the script things. So first of all, I'm gonna create a variable with socket and IO connect. I'm gonna connect to socket server, so it's gonna be http // document.domain plus the port, location dot port. So this is gonna be the local IP address, and this is gonna be the port here. It's not something that use IP address or sorry, the domain name, or that the domain will be the local IP address. And we're gonna create a function here with send comment, and the comment should be socket dot emit comment. So we're sending it to Python cmd and the comment. And next function, send text I'm gonna get document dot get element by ID. So the ID is text input here, and I'm gonna get the value. So I don't have jQuery here, so you can do it with JavaScript, but you can do it with jQuery too. So socket dot emit, I'm gonna send type function here, text and text, and we have click on mouse, so we have left click and right click here. So I'm going to use another time a function with click mouse. Is that correct? Yeah. The button, and I'm going to use socket again dot emit click button and button. So we are done here. So we have a shutdown, restart, and we can send a command. We have left click and right click, and then we're gonna send it to our location. Our local IP address. So now let's start it here. So everything is okay, but my Python version. Sorry, my Python version have some problem. Let me just fix that. I should open up with PyCharm actually. That's gonna be fine. Oh, we got some intelligence here. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Okay, it's better here. Okay. And okay, we have the template here and everything is fine. So I'm gonna do a remote session here so I can see my phone. But before that, let me open up Notepad. Okay. No, we don't want to save it. Okay, and this is my phone here, but let's start it. Okay, it's working fine. Let's get my IP address. Local IP address, actually, it's this one. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have control here, so I'm gonna type some text, send it. Okay, let's check left click. Something is not working. Okay, something is not correct here. Let's check it. And main.py. Okay, first of all, this is the problem. It should be text. And the other one is button, shutdown, restart. Okay, let's stop it and start it again. I'm gonna say hi, send it. Okay, let's see what is going on here. X, Y, data X, data Y, move to X and Y, click function, and the click, data, button, text, data, write, text, okay, comment, handle comment. Okay, let's just run it on, yeah, I think my Python have problems still. Okay, I run it from main project, so let's go again. Okay, it's working now. Problem is my okay, everything is fine. Left click, right click, and it's working actually. I'm gonna do the shutdown. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, everything is working correct. I put the source on the description because it's kind of complicated. I put the link of the source in description. Just check it if every problem have on the source, and this is it. And I think you can do a lot with this, so you can do a lot of item with that. You can do some kind of mouse movement, and you can do closing, opening programs, do a lot of things, sending command lines, and a lot of things that you can do. So thank you so much for watching this video. We're gonna have more on Python, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.